Hello friends, welcome to PyTricks, and today I'm going to show you how to create a frame using Java and execute it in CMD. So let's get started. First we'll create a notepad file. Okay, so I will import one header file which is import java.awt, which consists all the graphics classes in it which are needed for creating the frame. Second, we will create or import one header file which is import java.awt.event. This header file is important as it consists of classes which are needed for closing the frame. So these two header files are most important for creating and closing the frame. Now first part, we will create a class which will consist the commands for creating the frame. So here it goes, class my frame, which will inherit one inbuilt class which is known as frame. As we are creating a frame, we will inherit the class inbuilt class frame, which has been come from java.awt. Now I will write the main function as it is public static void main string arguments. Okay, so now we have written the main function and we will create an object of the class myFrame. So the command goes myFrame f is equal to new myFrame. So we have created an object of class myFrame. Now the commands are for creating the frame, which are set title, set size and set visibility. So here it goes, object f dot set title, as we have to set the title of the frame, and in the parenthesis you can write your own title. I will write as new frame for example. Next we will set the size of the frame. It should be approximate, so the command goes f dot set size 300 and 250. You can put any length as much as you want. So after the setting size, we will put the next command, which is f dot set visible. So this command is also important for visibility of the frame, and in the parenthesis write true, so it should work it. And the fourth command, which is important for closing part, which is f dot add window listener, as this one is the important part for closing the frame. And in parenthesis we will create a new class which will be my class for example. Okay, so we are done with the first class and we will now create the second class for closing part. The second class is the same class which we have declared here, which is my class. So it will be the same class, my class, which will inherit an inbuilt class which is known as window adapter, which has been come from the second header file, which is import java.awt.event. This is for closing part. So in this we will write just one function, which is public void window closing, as this function is able to close the frame when we click on the close button. And in the parenthesis just we have to write window event part, and we will create an object of that, which is e. So in this function just we have to write one single command, which is system.exit, which will be able to close the frame when we click on the close button. So we have done with this the coding part. Just the first class is for creating the frame and the second class is for closing the frame. So just we will save this with the name myframe.java. Okay, we have done here. Now we'll open the cmd command prompt and we will go to the file where we have saved it. So it's in P drive, notepad folder, yeah, and we will execute the command javac filename.java. Okay, so if the program consists of errors, then here it will show. If not, it will be normal. So execute the second command, java filename, and here it is. We have created a frame with the name new frame, and you can extend it, and here you can draw any shapes, rectangle, circle, oval, any shapes needed for drawing part. And the next part is the closing part. Let's see if the frame gets closed by clicking on the close button. Yeah, the window adapter part is also working good, and the program is also correct. So by this you can create the frame in Java and execute it in CMD part. So thank you for watching, and please do like and subscribe. Thank you.